Hello everyone, Spanglish Garage here, and today we're gonna be replacing a blade door actuator. This is a Jeep Patriot, as you can see, and it has two actuators, one on the driver's side and the other one on the passenger side. The one that we are gonna be replacing today is the one on the driver's side. Let's begin. So once we go under the dash and then we look toward the center of the console, you will be able to see it. You have to look up, and right there, that's the actuator. Now we need to disconnect the plug, and the space is really tight, so just be patient. And like any other connector, the plug has a tab that you have to press on it, and then you will be able to pull the plug and disconnect it from the actuator itself. If you're getting some value from this video, please consider subscribe for more similar content. It only has two screws that we need to remove, those that you are seeing on the screen. We're gonna take care of that right now. Now we're gonna compare the old one with the new one and make sure we have a match. Now you see this mark that is like a cross, that's like a guide, that's gonna help you to put it back in the right place. And this arm is the one that controls the mechanism. We're gonna take it from the old one and place it in the new one.
Old one and new one. So basically we're just gonna remove this and we're gonna place it here. And now we're gonna put this one back in there.
Now pay attention to this. The yellow circle that I'm marking is where the actuator will go. Now the actuator has a wide arm with a pin, and that pin will engage on that groove that you see that I'm marking on red. Now I'm placing the actuator back in place just as I was mentioning. And it should look something like that. If you're getting some value from this video, please consider subscribe for more similar content. Now it's the time to replace those screws and the plug. Now with the screws in, the plug connected, take another look and make sure everything is okay. Everything is looking good. Make sure the actuator is in the right place, and the arm and the pin, it is connected with the other part, and everything should be good to go. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.